Hi guys, welcome to PokeDoodle.
What are we drawing today?
Santa Pikachu!
Let's draw together. See you in there.
So, guys, we're going to be starting with the face.
Yep, and we're going to start with the eyes first. So we're going to go for the centre of the page as normal to make sure that the eyes are in the centre and they're not too far apart. So we're going to draw one eye first.
I'm doing a big Pikachu.
Are you? So I'm going to do a nice round eye on this side. And then I'm going to leave a little bit of a gap and then do the other eye just here. And then try and make sure that the same size circles. Just like that. And then I'm going to colour mine in at the end. But I'm going to leave another little inner circle for where his pupils will be. And then the rest of it around there will be black. Eyebrows next. Just like that. Nice, well done. Okay, then I'm going to draw his little nose.
Same.
Which you want to put right in the centre between his eyes and a little bit lower, like just there. And then from there, I'm going to draw his mouth.
So do a black nose.
I'm going to do from the centre at the bottom of his left eye, and I'm going to curl it down and around into his nose, kind of like a cat, and then I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then I'm going to do a big, happy, open mouth.
I'm ahead of you.
Oh, well done, you're really fast. And then I want to draw his tongue, so I'm going to curl that round in his mouth just like that. There you go, and now we've got most of his face. Now we need to do his cheeks. So I'm going to carefully draw half a circle here. I'm not going to quite finish the circles because I don't know quite where his exact end of his cheeks are going to be. But if we've got his face that way. And next we're going to draw the head. I think we're going to start off with, I'm going to give him a nice Pikachu Santa hat. So I want to probably put the bottom of the Santa hat just here, curling over the top of his head. And I'm going to draw the band for that first. So it's going to go up. Oh, well done. The little white fluffy band, which is going to go just above this like this. And you want to curl it around so it gets all the way. There you go. And now I'm going to draw his face. So it's going to come out just from underneath his Santa hat. Oh, you're already doing the hat, well done. And it's going to curl around because he's got chubby cheeks, and it's going to go around just like that. And obviously you can finish
I want to do the hat.
his cheeks like that, and I'm going to do the same on the other side so I can join them up nicely.
I just wanted to start in different places.
I'm going to curl it around just like that, and then finish that cheek off as well. There you go. Happy Pikachu, and you're doing the hat. Nice. I think I'm going to do his ears next. Hopefully I can fit them in on the page. I think I'll do them going sideways, just like this. And then draw the tip there. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. I have to try and get it in. So I'm going to curl it round into a point. Don't worry if it goes slightly off the page. And then we're going to curl around the other side too. And then we'll do a tip there too. There you go, there's his ears, and now I've just got to finish off his Santa hat, don't I? So there'll be a bit of red bit there under his ear and on this side.
Reggie.
That's amazing, I love yours. And I want to then curl his hat round like Elizabeth's done. And it's going to come down, I'm going to give him a little bit of a drop on his hat here. And then I'm going to do a fluffy pom-pom.
I did
on the
it
end.
to the side.
Ah, well done. I'm doing mine a little bit down. There you go. So now the fluffy pom-pom just there. Next, I'm going to do his collar for his Santa outfit. So we're going to have it coming out just underneath his cheeks there. And then it's going to curl around, like his hat did, around his neck. And that's going to be the collar of his Santa suit. And then we're going to have it coming straight down from his collar. So it's going to curl a bit, and it's going to go straight down to the bottom. Like that, so it's going to come out a little bit, and then we're going to do the same on the other side.
Doing the hands.
Nice, and then make sure that it lines up at the bottom. And then I'm going to do the bottom bit of it, so it's going to curl in to the centre. So we want to bring it in so it curls nicely into the centre. So if we figure out where the centre is, which is just underneath his mouth, and go in a little bit to the side of that, and then we can curl it in just like that. I've missed mine, but that doesn't matter. And then I'm going to give it a nice fluffy frilly edge there where the white fur will be And then we'll do the same on the other side, so we can leave a little bit of a gap and then draw another line. And then curl that round too. Just like that, and then we can draw the fluffy outer bit again on that side. There you go. There you go. Now we've got his Santa coat. I think I'm going to draw his legs and feet first. So we're going to curl it down, and we can curl it all the way around. So do it on both sides to make sure that I get the right level. And then Pikachu normally has it go in a little bit and then back out again. There you go. Now I'm going to draw his legs, so when I bring his feet down, at least I managed to fit his feet on this one. On the other one, they're kind of going off the page, aren't they?
Yeah. I don't think you can fit your feet in.
Well, hopefully. I'm going to curl that around. I think I might have done...
I did like little.
Ah, lovely. I think I did his feet too close together, but oh well. That's alright. And then I'm going to put that one just here. Just like that. And then we're going to put his toes just like that. There you go. So now we just need to do his tail and his hands. So...
How about the belt?
Oh yeah, that's a good point actually, the belt. I missed the belt, didn't I? I missed the belt. Oh no. Well, let's do the belt first. I'm going to do the belt coming across the centre here. I'm going to do the bottom bit of the belt here, so it's going to curl around his tummy. And then I'm going to do a belt buckle. Try and line it up here. Just like that. And then we're going to curl around the other side. Just like that. And then we can fix it at the end. Colouring wise, so I'm going to do a little buckle in the centre there. So it's all square. There you go. Just like that. And now I'm going to do his arms. So I'm going to draw his arms coming down. Just like this. And I'm going to do a frilly sleeve where the fur will be. And then I think I'm going to have his little thumb sticking out. And then he's got his... Lovely, well done. And then he's got his 3 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, thumb and 3 fingers. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. There you go, curve that round. Now I need to draw his thumb, and then his fingers. There you go. And now I need to draw his tail, so I'm going to have it stick out a little bit here, and then it's going to zigzag upwards. And go off the page just there. And then do the same up here as well, so I think I'll have it coming out just above his cheek, going across there. And then it can come down here. He's got a big tail, doesn't he? He zigzags across. There you go, nice. Okay, and...
a little.
Oh, nice, that's what I wanted to do as well, actually. So I think I'm going to put him holding his centre sack here. So we're going to draw it just like that. Are you?
Yeah. To look like he's outside.
Ah, I like it. I'm going to do a little bow on the centre sack. Just like that, nice simple bow, and then just have a circle in the centre. And then I want to draw the little bit that's coming down just like that.
I did a little bit of a pattern.
Lovely. Yeah, you can decorate it however you want. And then I'm going to draw it just next to his feet there. And then I think I'm going to draw some Pokeballs of mine, just like that. So it's a proper Pokemon Santa sack.
I'm drawing the Pokeball.
Nice, well done. There you go. And obviously you can decorate yours however you want. Okay, and there you go. That's Christmas Pikachu.
This is how it turned out. Thanks for drawing with us. What should we draw next? Comment down below and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye!
Bye!